So far, I have mostly ridden with electric bikes, electric scooters and other similar personal electric vehicles. Since I am running this Electric Wheelers blog and YouTube channel, I thought it would be a must to try the most famous electric vehicle, a Tesla. So my friend and I decided to rent the Tesla Model 3 to see if it can live up to the hype. In this video, I share with you my first impressions about Tesla Model 3 long range. Before we jump behind the wheel, please hit the subscribe button to help us reach the first 1000 subscribers. Thanks, and let's go! The production of the Tesla Model 3 started in the middle of 2017. In June 2021, it became the first electric car that has been sold over 1 million units. The Model 3 comes in 3 different trim levels: Standard, Long Range and Performance. We rented the Tesla Model 3 Long Range. Until this point, we didn't know much about it. So here are the first impressions from total beginners. What do you think is the most important thing to do when sitting in Tesla for the first time? Obviously, we went to try the acceleration. Although it's not the performance model, the acceleration is still amazing. It has 346 horsepower and goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 4 seconds. However, it's something you get used to very easily. After driving for a while, it didn't feel so abnormal anymore. But I must admit that after returning to Tesla, my own car felt ridiculously slow. One of the major differences with a regular car was that it brakes without depressing the brake pedal. Usually, when taking your foot off the accelerator, the car is slowing down very calmly. With Tesla, the second you left your foot off the accelerator, the car immediately starts to brake. It was really unusual at first. It's because of regenerative braking, which is actually very practical. Regenerative braking uses the excess energy produced by a moving car to charge the battery. The reverse camera is quite common these days for all cars. In addition to that, Tesla Model 3 has side cameras. While you are driving, cameras and sensors are detecting everything around you. You can see all of it from the display. Tesla identifies what type of cars are around and how far they are. It also detects the speed zone and other traffic signs. When you turn on the turn signal light, the camera image appears on the display. However, I was still looking at the side mirror, not the display. So far, I was getting used to that everything in Tesla is electric. Even for opening the door from inside, there is a button. So I was quite surprised at how plain the trunk door was. It's the same as cars had 40 years ago. I would even say the sound of closing the trunk is cheap. I have seen that some Teslas have an electric trunk, but I'm not sure why this model here hasn't. Alright, let's see what's under the hood. Oh wait, where's the engine? Actually, they call this place a Frunk, which is short for the front trunk. So you have 2 quite big luggage rooms. This means with Tesla you get an SUV-like cargo capacity. Model 3 is a medium-sized car. There's plenty of room in the front row, nothing to complain there. Surprisingly, there is not much legroom at the rear. It was literally impossible for me to sit at the back without moving the front seat. However, after moving the front seat, it was pretty comfortable in the back seat as well. Plenty of headroom for tall people. To sum it up, I really must say that driving with Tesla felt special. Although it's just a car, there was something different than a regular car. It is so high-tech, yet so simplistic. I like that there are hardly any physical buttons. It makes the overall look very clean and simple. While driving for about 90 minutes, we didn't have time to discover all the bells and whistles, and I believe there definitely is some learning curve. Overall, definitely a worthwhile experience. Thanks for watching, leave your comments down below, and I will see you next time.